Where is SkyBear? 5 more minutes. Sorry, I'm late. Just a little. Huh? I thought you were supposed to sleep. Cape wrinkled, eyes still yawning. Your trusty watch again. If the superhero is late, who will save the world? I really tried to wake up early, but my clock just kept going. Beep, beep, and then go back to sleep. Perhaps it's time we build a clock worthy of a true hero. Let's build an alarm clock no one can sleep through. First up, the design. I want it pink and use slime battery from me. Uh-oh. Wake up! Wake up now! The world needs you. This time, I won't oversleep again. Wait, SkyBear beat me here? No way! Next time, let's add a drop paint button too.